618 मेगावाट थी पिछले साल। इस साल भी वी आर टचिंग 30,000 मेगावाट। So I said that this is the highest demand ever met in UP and also highest in the country. तो एक तो बात ये थी, दूसरी हमने ये भी बताया कि कैसे हम
सर आप भी ब्रीफिंग करी जाए।
नहीं मांडी जी करेंगे, वो अच्छा नहीं रहेगा। बट आई एम गोइंग टू सर्कुलेट प्रेस नोट, आप लोगों को भी।
और क्या रहा?
और दूसरी बात हमने ये बताई कि फॉर मीटिंग दिस ग्रोइंग डिमांड we have also started the process for setting up new power plants. For example, only a few days back in Kanpur, Honorable Prime Minister dedicated to the nation of five newly made power capacities, power plants, totaling to more than 3,900 megawatts, so almost 4,000 megawatts. Similarly, we have also signed new capacities with NTPC in joint venture at Mundra C, Anpara and Bejar and other few places. So we are in the process of preparing ourselves for this rising demand of power. This is one thing. Second, we have also performed very well in the entire country in national projects. For example, the RDSS scheme, we are number one in implementation of that scheme. Secondly, in the Green Corridor scheme also, we are number one in the country in implementation of the Green Corridor 2 project. For Green Corridor 3 also, we have given sufficient proposal to the Government of India. On the whole, UP is emerging as a top performer state in the power sector as of now.
ये रूरल सेक्टर में सर पावर की क्या स्थिति अपने आप?
Rural में भी in fact we have three kinds of schedules. One is the district headquarters 24 hours, Tahsil headquarters 21 to 22 hours, rural areas, villages 20 to 18 hours. 18 hours in the rest of the state, 20 hours in the Bundelkhand.
ये भी 24 आवर होगा कभी?
होगा, बिल्कुल होगा, बिल्कुल. As soon as we are able to bridge the gap between our not demand and supply. Power availability is not an issue. The problem is collection of bills per unit. Because every unit which we are supplying, we are incurring losses. Because non-payment by the customers. Out of 3 crore 50 lakh customers, consumers, almost 50 lakh customers are such who have never paid their bills. So 1/5 of the consumers have never paid. Historically, this is the biggest problem.
सर आपको लगता है ये जो फ्री बिल दे रहे हैं, जैसे पंजाब में भी बिजली फ्री है, ये बेनिफिशियल रहता है या ये गलत चीज है?
फ्री देना इज गवर्नमेंट का अपना डिसीजन होता है, पॉलिटिकल डिसीजन होता है. पावर यूटिलिटीज फ्री देने के डिसीजन से उनको प्रॉब्लम नहीं है टिल गवर्नमेंट गिव्स देम मनी. I as a power supplier, I have no problem if government is ready to put the bill actually. Someone has to pay. But the problem comes when government is not able to pay. In UP, luckily, government has been paying very regularly the dues of the power utility.
एक है सर जो जिनके पेंडिंग बिल्स हैं, मतलब बहुत सारे मीटर लग गए हैं, नहीं बिल पे जैसा आप कह रहे थे, तो उनके लिए कुछ कर रहे हैं आप? कोई
नहीं, उनके लिए हम समय पे 2-3 चीजें करते रहे हैं. One is one-time settlement scheme, OTS. Like we have in my tenure only, I have brought OTS for 3 times. और उसमें टोटल सरचार्ज माफ कर देते हैं, इंटरेस्ट माफ कर देते हैं. और फिर भी दिस प्रॉब्लम ऑफ बैकलॉग ऑफ पेमेंट रिमेन्स. वी हैव डन इट 3 times. We will again do in the coming.
रेगुलर इंटरवल्स पे करते, कोई पर्टिकुलर एक टाइम नहीं होता?
Every year we come up with every year. In my own tenure of 3 years plus, 3 times I brought the one-time settlement scheme.